Okay, so let us see. Let us see. So Pranav, you got some value, huh? What is the thing? Not Sai Pranav, the other Pranav.
Sir, I don't think it's correct.
Yeah, Sai Pranav did it. Yeah, Sai Pranav did it. I think got it. But what is the value that you are getting? So we'll solve it together, and now I'll give a tougher problem. Okay, tougher means slightly tougher only, not very tough. Okay, but you have to practice it. Otherwise, Avnish says he got a 4. How did you get 4, Avnish?
So I had understood the question wrong that time.
Okay. Now that you have understood it correctly, right? Now just see what is the answer you get. What about Ahan, Shreyas? You are trying it now, I hope. So now I'm going to conduct, next week I'm going to conduct an exam. Huh? So for all the things that we have learned, I will try to create a exam. Okay, shall we start it here? Anyone getting any making progress? Then I will wait for another 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, let us start. I think let us start. See, let what are we saying is let the original number be x. Okay, let the original number be x. Okay, we have to find out what is the series. Right now, there are two ways you can go. You can go from the origin to the end, or you can start from the end and come back to the origin. Okay, so which way we will? I will demonstrate you the other method. Okay, which helps solve more problems. We'll start from the end. Okay, now what is this? How can I move this? Okay, starting from end, last remaining record was 1, right? CD was 1. Now we'll say what must have been the number prior to that. So after she gave the CDs to then she's left with 1. Okay, so let us assume. So what I will try to find out is, let y is equal to CDs before she gave away to Ansh. Okay, so this is the thing after. This is after giving to Ansh. She gave the CDs to Ansh. After that, she's left with only 1. Right. So now, how many were there before she gave it to? Let it be y, and we'll try to solve for y. Okay, we'll try to solve for y. So how do we do it? So now, if y was where the CDs, okay, before she gave it to you, now she says how many she gave away. So there were originally y. Out of that, minus how many she gave away to Ansh? Y by 2, right? Plus 1 by 2, half. Y, whatever was there, out of that, y half she gave, plus one half CD she gave, is equal to, now after giving this, how many are left? Because
1.
only 1 is left, right? So how many? So we will just take this. So then, so that is y minus y by 2 minus y by 2 minus half is equal to 1, right? Now what does that mean? We take the half to the other side, or you add half on both sides, and y minus y by 2 is y by 2, because you take half of y means what is remaining is half, and is equal to half you would take to the other side, or you add it on both sides, what will become 1 plus half, which is 1.5. So y by 2 is 1.5. So how much is y? Y is equal to 3. Correct? Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No? Let us go over it again. Let's go over it.
I understood that, but I didn't understand after y minus y by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. How you made it y by 2 is equal to 0.5 and y is equal to 3.
Okay. So that I will explain it very simple. Y minus y by 2, how much is it?
Y by 2.
Okay. And minus half is equal to 1. Correct?
Oh, okay, so it will be half greater than 1.
Yeah, so add half on both sides of the equation. See, if something equal to something, then you add same quantity on both sides, it is still equal, right? So you add half. So there was y by 2 minus half plus half. Minus half plus half is 0. So that is left with y by 2 is equal to 1 plus half, which is 1 by 3 by 1.5 or 3 by 2. What?
Okay, sir.
So y by 2 is equal to 1.5, and hence y is equal to 3. So 3 CDs is what she had before she gave to Ansh. Now let us apply the same logic. If originally she had x, out of which how much she gave to Uday? So she had x minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2. She gave to Uday, correct? She gave half of whatever she had plus half a CD. And after giving away, then you are left with 3. Now you know you were left with whatever was left was 3. So x minus x by 2. See, so when we solve this again, it will become x by 2, okay, is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3.5, right? And now x by 2 is equal to 3.5. So what is x? X is equal to 7. Now you put this back 7 and you imagine. So you had 7 CDs to start with. Out of that, half is 3.5 plus half a CD. So 3.5 plus half means 4. 4 CDs she gave it to Uday. 7 minus 4, how many she left with? 3. 3 by half is how much? 1.5. But obviously you are not giving 1.5 CDs. And she said half of that plus half. So 1.5 plus half means 2. So 3 minus 2. 2 of them she gave it to Ansh. And now what is she left with? 1. So that is what she told. So if you are able to tell this, all of this to Srushti, then she will give the last CD to you. Got it?
Sir, I didn't understand it, sir.
Ashish, right? It is.
Yes, sir.
So which part? We'll starting from the end. This you got it. See, what did she say in the puzzle? That in the end, I hope you have seen the puzzle, right? What last time I gave. I hope that you have got it, right? I think I had posted it on the WhatsApp also.
That I got it.
Okay. So what is the end? End mein how many CDs she had? Only 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yeah.
before that, before she went to the end, before that she had given, there were some CDs she was having, let it be Y, okay? And she gave half of that, half of Y is what? Y by 2 is half, correct? You divide Y divided by 2. So you give half of that, right? So
Then-
half of, yeah.
This, sir. Why and I've not learned it since.
That is the reason. But see, it is very simple. Okay, it is simple. See, if you take x, whatever may be the number, 150, whatever is there. If you make it into 2 parts, then how we write it as x divided by 2 plus x divided by 2. Okay, because whatever is there, right? You divide. So divide by 2. Division by 2. You understand, Ashish?
Yeah.
Right? So if you divide by 2, what will happen? You will get half, and the other half will also be there. So you are making them into 2 pies, let us say. So if you had something, you are making it into 2 parts, correct?
Yes.
Now similarly, if you had y and you make it into 3 parts, then what will each part be? Each part will be 1/3 of whatever was original, right?
Yeah.
Plus, that is what is this meaning. It is very simple. If you had Z and you made it into 5 parts, then what will happen is Z by 5 is each part, but like this, there will be 5 such groups, right?
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
so in the question, instead of like doing division y by 2, couldn't we multiply by 2 and add half to the 1 CD?
You can do that also. So what is effectively answer will come to the same thing. It is there are so you what instead of so like this the other way to solve here, I mean making it easier here will be, I can't get this, sorry. Other way to do this will be, so whatever is y minus y by 2 plus half, right? So whatever is this half, so you can multiply it. So this one you multiply it. So 2y minus y minus 1 is equal to 2. Everything you have multiplied it by 2. So y became 2y, y by 2 became y, 1 by 2 became 1, and 1 became 2. So 2y minus y minus 1 is equal to 2. So this is same thing as 2y minus y is y minus 1 is equal to 2. What does that mean? Y minus 1 is 2. So what is that? Y is equal to 3. Right? Some number minus 1 is 2. So what is that number? That number must be 3. Right? This is also a way to solve it very easily. If this is easier for you, you can use this mechanism.
Sir, like suppose he said that there's 1 CD. So
Yeah.
then we multiply that 1 by 2, which will give us 2, and then we add half. So 2.5.
Nah, but if you are multiplying by 2, so you have to be consistent. Then you have to multiply on both sides, you have to multiply by 2, not just one side. You cannot do it. See, that's what I did. See, you had y minus y by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So if you are multiplying 2 on one side, you have to multiply 2 on the other side also. See, it is very simple. We start with same mangoes. You have some mangoes and I also have some mangoes. Okay, they are equal. Now, if you say that you want to double your mangoes, now if it has to be equal, I also need to double my mangoes, right? Otherwise, they will not be equal. So if you want to say that, oh, Shivaji and Ashish has equal mangoes, originally they had equal mangoes. Now Ashish got double. Now Shivaji also has to double, then only they will be equal, correct? So that is what is multiplying on both sides. Okay.
Sir, in this you have typed y minus 1 equal to 2, right? No? So
Yeah.
it means y will be 3.
Correct. That is what is the answer. So here also we got it. Here also we got it y equal to 3. See here. And there also we got it y equal to 3. So whichever way you solve it, y is equal to 3. But y is not the original number of CDs. Y is after she has given to Uday. But before she gave to Ansh. So then using y is equal to 3, what we do is the next time. What was the original number? Original was x minus x by 2 plus half is equal to 3. So it is very similar to the previous equation. Only thing is that instead of equal to 1, it is equal to 3. So what happens is you do the same thing. Even if you multiply here both sides by 2, then what you will do is 2x minus x, minus x minus 1 is equal to 6. So what does that mean? 2x minus x is x plus minus 1 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 7.
7.
Right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now, so all of this is okay explanation, but you need to what do you call eraser. Let me clear, and I will give a new slightly involved puzzle. But now see, if you know this technique and practice it, right, then you will be able to solve it. So let us say I will show it to you only. Okay. So I have gone for a picnic. Okay, I have gone for a picnic to an island with all of you students. Okay, maybe 4 or 5 of your students. Okay, so there are some coconuts that have been felled from the coconut tree. Okay, so what I do is I start with Sai Pranav. Okay, Sai Pranav, because he always solves mathematics problems, always very fast and very this, right? Quickly, right? So I say, okay, Sai Pranav, you are my best mathematics students. Okay, so what do you? So I give you half of all the coconuts that I have plus half. Okay, so I have originally some coconuts. X. Okay, let's call it capital X. Okay, now first I get whom do I get? I get Sai Pranav. I give him half of all that I have, which is half of X. I give it, okay, plus half a coconut. I give it to him. Okay, so this is what I gave it to Sai Pranav. Now after giving to Sai Pranav, I am left with lesser number, right? I am left with only Y. So I am, after this I give away. Now I am left with Y coconuts now. Okay, because some of them I have given away. Next comes Madhura. Okay, now what I tell Madhura is, okay, I am going to give you 1/3 of the coconuts that I have. Okay, plus 1/3. So how much does Madhura gets? She is equal to Y by 3, 1/3 of what I have already left. So Y divided by 3 plus 1/3 I give it to Madhura. Okay. Now I am left with even less numbers. Now let us say I am left with Z. Okay. Now next comes who comes next? Maybe Ashish comes next. Okay. Just don't take this personally. Okay, I'm just giving some random names and whatever. So Ashish comes next. So what I do is I give him so Ashish, I give him Z by 4. Whatever is there remaining 1/4 I give it to him plus 1/4 I give it. Okay. This is what I give it to him. So Ashish. Now after doing this, I am left with, let us say I am left with only N coconuts. I am left with M coconuts. Okay. Now, okay, let me refer whether what is the final thing. So just 1 second. I will tell you. So where were we? Sorry, we were in the chat, right? So I gave what happened? Yeah, I'm left with how many coconuts? I'm left with N coconuts, let us say. Okay, and now next comes who? Next comes maybe Shreyas comes. Shreyas, I tell Shreyas, you get whatever is the N number, I gave 1/5 of that. Okay, plus 1/4, 5 coconuts, I give it to Shreyas. Okay, so this is what I give it to Shreyas. Now at the end of all of this, so I gave 4 people. I gave, starting with Sai Pranav, then Madhura, then Ashish, then Shreyas. Now I am left with, finally I am left with 11 coconuts, which we are all going to have it together as a party. Okay, is left at the end. So how many coconuts were there at the beginning? How many did I have start with? So that I did all of this, and remember, I never broke any coconut. Okay, those are tender coconuts, so I did not break them. I just gave them full. Whenever I, so one, I think first one is not 1 by x, x by 2. Okay, Sai Pranav got, original number was, Sai Pranav got I hope you got that. X by 2 plus 1 by 2. So whenever that was actually a full number of coconuts, there were no breakages. Okay, no breakages. Whatever was left after that was y. Madhura, I gave it to Madhura y by 3 plus 1 by 3. And again, there were no breakages, no breaking of coconuts. I gave her a full number of coconuts. Similarly to Ashish, is z by 4 plus 1 by 4 was also a full coconuts. No break.
Sir, but how is that possible?
So that's what you solve, apply this magic. Then it will be, because see, just as we saw, seven CDs were there. We gave half of that plus half a CD. So what happened? 7 half is 3.5 plus half is 4. It's a full number, right? So it was possible, right? Just that way. But here, instead of 1/2, we are starting with 1 by 2, then 1 by 3, then 1 by 4, and then Shreyas is getting, n by 5 plus 1 by 5, which is also a full number. That is possible if n is a large number and in a particular way. Suppose if n is equal to 9, then 9 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. Okay. So this is what is the thing. So and last I am left with 11 full coconuts. Okay. So how do we do this, right? So let us start solving. I think starting from the end is always better. Okay. So what will we put? After giving the coconuts to Shreyas, whatever other number I gave it to him, I am left with 11 coconuts. So before giving to Shreyas, I had n, right? I had n coconuts. Now out of that minus, how many I gave it to Shreyas? N divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5 is 0.2, right? 0.2 is 4 plus 0.2 is 6.6 plus 0.2 is whichever way. If you are used to decimals, then that is what it is. Okay. So I had originally n. Out of that, n by 5 plus 0.2, I gave it to Shreyas. And after that, I'm left with 11.
So that means that n is equal to a multiple of 5 minus 1.
Correct. You have guessed it. Who was that?
So Sai Pranav.
Yeah, Sai Pranav, you got it exactly. Okay, right. You are right. Very good insight. So now what is the way? I think we'll multiply everything by 5, because all of this is 1 by 5, right? So multiply by 5. So if you multiply everything by 5, then we get 5n minus n, okay, minus 1, because 0.2 into 5 is 1, and the minus is over the bracket. So when you expand the brackets, then it is 5n minus n minus 1 is equal to 55, right? So how many? So n is equal,
4n minus 1 is equal to 55.
yeah. So 4n is equal to 56.
56. So that means 56.
So that means n is equal to 14.
Yes, sir. N is equal to 14.
N is equal to 14. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now this was before I gave to Shreyas. I had 14 coconuts. Okay. Now, but that whatever was remaining was 14 after I had given some coconuts to Ashish, and Ashish had given. So before giving to Ashish, how many I had? Z. Okay, I gave something to Ashish, and then I am left with 14. Correct? Correct.
Yes, sir.
Right?
So z minus z by 4 plus z by 3 Sir,
Not 0 by
plus,
10, plus
sorry,
1
1
by
by 3.
no, plus 1 by 4.
I
0
mean
by 4
4
plus 1
is
by 4
equal to 14.
equal to 14. So now we multiply everything by 4 this time because the divisor is 4 right here. So what do we get? 4z
Minus
minus z
z minus
1
1.
is equal to,
So,
correct, everything multiplied by 4.
yes, sir.
So what does that mean? That means 4z minus z is 3z is equal to 56 plus 1, 57.
So 57,
So
which
z
is
is equal
19. Z
to
is equal to 19.
So I had 19 coconuts before I gave to Ashish. So Ashish, I gave 19 by 4. 19 by 4 is something 5.4 point something, right? It is 4.8 plus 1 by 4, 4 point whatever I gave it, right? I think you got it. Yeah, 19 by 4 is 4.75 plus 1 by 4 is 0.75. So 5. So 19, so I ended up giving 5 to Ashish and was left with 14. Out of that, 1 by 5 of 14 is like 2.8. 2.8 plus 1 by 5 is 0.8. So 0.2. So 2.8 plus 0.2 is 3. So after 14, I gave 3 to Shreyas. I was left with 11. Now go back again. Now there was some number of coconuts that I had, which out of which I gave 1/3 to Madhura plus 1 by 3, and then I was left with whatever was 19. Correct? That was the next step. So are you following me? So
Yes, sir.
I had y, okay, minus I gave minus y by 3 I gave plus 1 by 3 to Madhura, and then I was left with 19. Okay, so multiply everything by 3 this.
So 3y minus y plus y. I mean minus 1 is equal to 19. I mean
So into 57 into 3, so 57.
So and then 2y minus 1 is equal to 57. So 2y is equal to 58. So y is equal to 29.
Correct. Y is equal to 29. Correct. Now so I have had 29 coconuts before I gave to Madhura. Okay. Okay. Now how many I had originally, but what was I left with originally were x. So x, out of that I gave to Sai Pranav x by 2 plus 1 by 2, and then I was left with 29 coconuts. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Multiply everything by 2. So
2x minus x minus 1 is equal to 58.
right?
And then, sir, so 2x minus x is equal to 59.
Correct. So x is equal to 59. So I had 59 coconuts to start with. Okay. 59 coconuts to start with. So I gave half of that. So half of that is 59 by half is 29.5. Correct. 59 ka half is 60. 58 is half is 29. 60 half is 30. And 59 half is in between. So 29.5. So I gave to how many did I give to Sai? How many I gave? 29.5 plus half. Half is?
So 30.
So 30 I gave to Sai. Okay, now after giving 30, how many I left with? I am left with 29. Now when Madhura came along, Madhura, how many I gave? 1/3 of 29. Okay, 1/3 of 30 is 10.
10.
1/3 of 27 is 9. So 9 and 9.66 is what she had, or 66666, whatever. Plus 1 by 3 is 0.33333. Okay, is equal to 10. So I gave 30 coconuts to Sai. I gave 10 coconuts to Madhura. Okay, now I had, after giving 30, I had left with 29. After
So-
giving 10, I am left with 19. Okay. So now you do the same thing. 19 was left. Ashish, I gave 19 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 19 by 4 is 16 by 4 is 4. So 4.75 and 20 by 4 is 5. So 4.75 plus 0.25 is what I gave to thing is equal to 5. So 19 coconuts were there. I gave 5 of them to Ashish. Okay, how many were left with? 14. So when Shreyas came along, I gave him Shreyas. I gave him 1/5 of that. So 14 by 5. Now 15 by 5 is 3. 10 by 5 is 2. 11 by 5 is 2.2. 12 by 5 is 2.4. So like this, 14 by 5 is 2.8 plus 1 by 5 is 0.2. So is equal to how many I gave it to him? 3. So Shreyas I gave him 3. So 14 minus 3 is 11. So that is what I was left with. Okay.
So, but I have a question.
Yeah.
How did you come up with almost 60 coconuts in the first place?
There was on the island. Now I asked, I had already told one person to just climb up. And on one coconut tree, easily you will get 60 if it has not been pulled. Easily you will get it.
Okay, so I don't know, 60 grow on one tree. I thought I looked at
Sometimes you get 100 also. You don't know. You are from Goa, man. Easily you will get 50.
Sir, I did not understand this part, sir.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just join back because the schedule is ending. So we'll take a 2-minute break and join back. Okay.